to Nena's Bubbles, and today's video on Nena's Bubble is going to be the unboxing of our monthly daily goodie box. Daily goodie box, it's a subscription box for samples. It's a free subscription box full of samples that you will get if you go to their website, sign up for a box, review the item that you get, and then you will qualify for the next month's box. Today, as you can see, is December's box. I got it right over here. That's why I'm wearing the ding dong Santa Claus hat. You see no hair of mine because it's in a bun and it's right here. So let's get started. December box. Then in the description box will be the link to where you can sign up for a box, as well as to every single item that is included in the box in case you want to buy it yourself. And there it is. A little hello, how are you? And let's get surprised. Right here. Chocolate bar. Yes. We got a sweet chocolate milk crunchy nut bar by Frey. Hazelnut. Look at that. This is the first item. It is a full-size bar, so you definitely could taste it and see if you like it or not. Frey GMO free, and that's how the chocolate will look if you open it up. And deliciousness. The next item is Shoelaces. What? Lock laces, elastic no tie shoelaces, 2 pair. What in the world? One size fits all, superior comfort. Oh my gosh, I think I've seen this, like I've seen shoes with this kinds of shoelaces before, but I haven't actually seen one. Look at this. So you don't like need to tie, you just pull and then cut it to where your desirable size, and then your shoe is forever tied. What is so cute? Can I open it? Of course. It's like elastic, but it has things that I can lose, so I am not gonna open that. And then that's thing. A little bottle. This little bottle says energy, Adrenal Xtra energy support, 12-bit vegetarian tablet, no caffeine, energy, healthcare solutions. This is product sample, not for sale. This is a Michael Naturopathic program, and it's for energy, a little bottle for energy, and it's a dietary supplement, synergistically complete, and it's 12 tablets, so I don't know, for 12 days if you need energy. Let's see. The next thing is this little bottle by BodyBio E-Lyte. Just add to water. Well, isn't this water already? E-Lyte, concentrate of pure electrolytes, Na, K, and Mg, 5 grams, replenish and hydrate, restore energy level, dietary supplement. Yeah, well, it says open E-Lyte, fill cap, add 1 cap full for each 8-ounce. Oh, so 1 cap of this is for an 8-ounce bottle. For you to get energized and such. This is very nice. This could be maybe for 5 fills, maybe electrolytes. Ew. Oh, I was like, what is this? I feel ikriakri. It comes in a little one of those poppable plastics. Are you guys ready for December? Well, it's already December, but like, I mean, like, are you ready with your Christmas vibes and such? And we have our pomade, Dalmatia fig spread. Oh, is this to eat? How cute is this little bottle? I thought it was like a little pomade when you have, like, it hurts. Each fig is inspected for quality. Fig spread original. Oh my God. Oh, how nice is this? Look at the little, it's glass little bottle sample, and it's a fake spread. I want to look at. It's mine. Why not? Oh my gosh, this is delicious. Favorite so far. Let's see. This one because it's picking on it. Another bottle of pills. Heartburn relief. Oh, now this is very useful. Enzymedica, is it from the same place? No. Enzymedica, instant results for your money back. Alright. Heartburn relief works in seconds, lasts for 10 hours. Skin relief, choose. This is very helpful because my husband does suffer from a lot of reflux, heartburn, gastritis symptoms. Yes. This is how it looks if you wanna look at it. It has 10 tablets, 10 chewable tablets. The next thing is this Mocati hard candy. Oh, another. Oh my gosh, caramel macchiato, mocha mint, and espresso. So it's like coffee, chocolate, coffee, candy. Well, excuse me, it's very early in the morning. So let's see. The green ones are mocha mint. The brown ones are espresso, and these ones are caramel macchiato. So let's try the caramel macchiato, shall we? It's just like a little. Oh my god, mocha mint. I'm going to, no, I'm just kidding. I'm going to give one to Layla over here. It's delicious. Tastes like toffee. Have I tasted this kind of a candy or this brand before, and it was delicious last time? Well, guess what? This time it's just equally delicious. Oh, I like it. It tastes like, oh, I think that, oh, there's one more little tiny little thing. NibMor. 72% cacao. Organic dark chocolate tart cherry. It feels like two little things, and this is a tart cherry, like a chocolate cherry bar. I have something in my mouth. That's delicious. I think that's all. The rest of the things, yep. The rest of the things are the infomercial little pamphlets that you usually get to find out more about the things. Oh, 25 of shoes. Where is the shoe? Where is the sample of the shoe? You should have sent me a pair. The candy. Oh, look, this is for the chocolate bars right here. That we got the red one, but they have other ones. Yeah. Well, that is all that I got for today's daily goodie box. I think my favorite has to be the chocolate the coffee candies. Yum. And the fig spread. It smells delicious. And it tastes just like you're biting into a fig. Very nice. And the bottle, the little container, you got me there too. I know it's not gonna be on that part, but the sound was pretty nice. The shoelaces. Oh, 3 best friends. I mean, 3 favorites. Right here is very useful for my husband. Oh, the chocolate bar, it's also one of my favorites. I know it's going to be delicious because it's milk chocolate, my favorite, and it's hazelnuts, my favorite. I don't bite it because I already have that, but it's delicious, I'm pretty sure. Heartburn relief, it's also helpful for my husband. The energy thing is also helpful for my husband, and the cherry chocolate is also helpful for me. If I don't say anything about things that I don't try in camera, you should check the description box as well. I also sometimes leave little things there like, oh, I don't like this, oh, this is delicious. But yeah, look at this, full box, totally free. Subscribe if you haven't done so, and if you did, thank you very much. Comment down below what was your favorite item, and if you are ready for December, if you have buy some of your gifts, and if so, click the little like button and click the little bell to notify you when I have a new video. Layla's over here very discord. Just worried because I'm closing on the chocolate box. Yeah, well, that is all for today's video. See you daily box till next year. I'll see you next time. Bye-bye. It's delicious. The chocolate is delicious. Candy. I mean candy.